I shall now talk about a keyword in C called as typedef. But before we get into the keyword typedef, I need to give you a little background why we need to require or why we require typedef. Let us say I have a structure whose model is student underscore info, which was shown in the prior session. Now I want to create student underscore info type of structure variables at say 20 places in my program. So I could say struct student underscore information, say Raj, struct student underscore information Rahul, struct student underscore information Anand, Rita and Anusha. Now if there are 20, you will have to type 20 of such kind of lines. If you are a little observant and watching, you will notice that this part is repeating every time and it's quite a bit of typing. So C comes to your rescue through the keyword called as typedef. So what it really does for us is the typedef tells us that every time it sees a particular word, replace it with struct student underscore info. Let me tell you what I mean by that. So suppose I say typedef struct student underscore info yes data. So everywhere where it sees yes data, it will be replaced by struct space student underscore info. So if I have to declare all these Raj, Rahul, Anand, Rita now, all that I need to do is I just need to say yes data Raj, yes data Rahul, yes data Anand, yes data Rita, yes data Anusha. What happens is wherever this yes data comes in, it is going to be replaced with struct space student underscore info. Now you have saved so much of typing. You could give this a smaller name so you will save even more of typing. So now I hope it is clear what typedef is doing for you. In simple concept, you can think of it something similar to hash define. So wherever pi is there, it will replace it with 3.142. So here wherever yes data is there, it will be replaced with struct space student underscore info. So this is going to be replaced with struct underscore space student underscore info, struct space student underscore info. So this is going to be replaced everywhere. So that is the advantage of having this typedef keyword. So all that really means is it tells the compiler every time you see this yes data, replace it with struct space student underscore info. Now I will show, this is one way of declaring yes data through typedef. There is an alternate easy way where along with the prototype or blueprint declaration of this structure, you can create the typedef variable. This is a shorter way. So I can say typedef struct student underscore info. So I have this as the members of my structure, and here itself I have put yes data and semicolon. This semicolon is very important whenever you are using the struct keyword. Without this semicolon, you're going to get a compile time error. So now yes data is very similar to this particular declaration. So this declaration and this declaration are same. You would want to prefer this one because this is shorter. You will be saving a few keywords to type. Although you have to type typedef, you will be saving yourself these two words to be typed. So I hope you really understood the spirit behind typedef.